Hello, in this video, I will show you how Data Access Enforcer, or DAE, works technically. For this demonstration, I'll be using BigQuery. When you generate a report using BigQuery, you can connect your reporting tool directly to the BigQuery platform and run an SQL statement to fetch the necessary datasets and generate the reports and charts based on those result sets. This will grant all the users access to all the information stored in BigQuery. Just as showed in the demo we were using earlier, in order to control the amount of data users are able to see, we need to utilize two of our out-of-the-box NextLabs products, Data Access Enforcer for BigQuery and Control Center Platform. The Control Center Platform is composed of two main components, the Control Center Server and the Policy Controller. The Control Center servers allows the administrators to create attribute-based access control policies that define who can access what. The Control Center server also allows us to get attributes from various data sources like Active Directory, SQL databases, and more. These policies and user attributes will be made available to the policy controller to be used later for policy evaluation. The Data Access Enforcer for BigQuery is a policy enforcer that runs in Nginx. It is designed to accept SQL statements and modify them based on the policies configured in the Control Center platform. We point the reporting tool to the DAE proxy. Instead of directly sending the SQL statement to the Google BigQuery API, we send it to our proxy instead. DAE will then submit a request to the policy controller to check if the current login user should be given access to the requested information. Minimally, our request will contain the information of our current logged-in user, the action he's trying to do, and the resource he is trying to access. Using the policies and user attributes, the policy controller will make the policy decision and return that decision to the DAE. The decision will contain either an allow or deny enforcement and a list of obligations. Obligations are sets of commands that instruct the enforcers how to deal with the action that the user is performing. In this case, the obligations will instruct DAE how to modify the original SQL statements sent by the reporting tool. Later, we will discuss how DAE modifies the SQL statements to achieve the different access controls we need. DAE will then run the modified SQL statements against the Google BigQuery platform. This result set is based on the modified SQL statement, and as such, no further processing is required. DAE will simply return this result set in the reporting tool. Now the reporting tool can use this result set, and all the existing pivot tables and charts should work without any further modifications. This concludes our demonstration on how DAE works. Thank you for watching.